Okay, I'm pretty much at home and I'm bored. I'm not in the garage, but I have to do work on this little car here. So today I'm gonna show you how to change the drum brakes without using any special tools. You know how simple it is to change the drum brake on this? Is so easy. I'm not gonna change the shoes because I don't have the shoes, but I'm just trying to change the drum brake because they were rusty, they were badly rotten. So I'm gonna show you how rotten they are. This is what the old one is like. So I've got new ones and I've already changed this, but I thought, hey, I only do Mercedes stuff, but let me show you what I'm doing with the Fiat 500 anyway. So without wasting time, before we begin, you know the drill. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. But also, let's dive right into putting these drum brakes. The only thing you need is a jack and a 12mm spanner, a 12mm spanner, and that's all you need to change drum brakes on a Fiat 500. It's so easy. You can do it yourself at the house without needing any special power tools. All you need is this. This is actually in the back of the car where your spare tire is at the boot. And this is a 12mm spanner. This is a plier and a jack. That's all you need to change the rear drum brakes. So, in saying that, I've got the new ones here. And this is the old one that I did on the right-hand side of the vehicle. And now I'm going to do on the left side of the vehicle. And one last thing I forgot. WD-40. In case they're rusty, the bolts. But this will come in handy and helpful at some stage. So just keep the small bottle in case. And this small bottle is only about £2. Anyways, let's dive right into it. So another thing is the rock to stop. So you need to put the rock here so that the car doesn't roll over. Get my special tools. That's easy. Okay, that's done. Everything else to do with this car is as simple as the car is. Only issue is that things like to rust on this car. Anyway, that's enough height to drop the wheel. Got a wheel out. You can see, look at this. It's all rusty and crusty. But D40 will do the trick. Let it soak for a few minutes. Just tap these bolts a bit. Have your 12mm spanner ready. The reason why I'm tapping mine is because they're a bit rusty, so I'm just trying to get there, you know. The 12mm, you tap out this bolt, it's out. Tap it out a bit. Get your 12mm ready. And that's it. Yeah, I need a pry bar to pry this out, but this can be my pry bar. So you have to loosen the handbrake because the brake shoes are holding the drum tight, so it's not going to come out easily. I'm going to try and loosen it now slowly. You see? Because of the wheel stoppers, the car isn't moving, so make sure you're safe when you're doing this. Well, now that the handbrake's loose, This can be a bit loose, you see that? If you have a bigger hammer, all you have to do is tap it. But I'm using the old drum brake from the other side. And that's out. These shoes need replacing, but I don't have spare shoes, so it's that easy to replace them. If you have a pry bar, you can pry them in. If they're rusty and stuck here, all you have to do is use a bit of D40 and then hit them hard with a hammer. But sure, I use this instead of a hammer because I'm trying to do this with the most minimal tools that I have. All my big tools are in the garage and I'm just doing this with whatever I have, which is easy to do. If you had new brake shoes, you would fit them in and you don't even need anything else apart from these little things that I have here. So I'm gonna put in the new drum now. And the new set of drums are cheap. Cost about 28 quid. Just locate your holes where your bolts were sitting. Now you can push it in. Of course, you don't want to dirty the new drums or expose the paint, but that's what it is. Hand tighten this 12mm nuts. And that's just that. I don't know the torque specs for this, but if they can go off with hand, it sounds like it's 10 Newton meters. It's just by feel, you know. So just use the spanner by feel and they'll be tight enough. You can't go over than this, and that's it. Otherwise you end up rounding these bolts. And guys, with that done, that's your drum brakes out. The rusty ones. Now we have new ones. Put your wheels back. So that's it, guys. 2 drums change on your Fiat 500 with just few minimal tools, nothing more. It's that easy, you know, it's that simple. So these rusty ones are going to the scrap metal and the new ones look shiny. So that's it, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's what I wanted to do today, do something different, because I'm always dealing with the Benz. But hey, the Fiat 500 is our car too, so I needed to resolve that little issue it has. And also I did resolve the clutch actuator. I didn't finish filming that, so there's no point in showing you a half job. But I was deciding to replace the drum brakes because the rear drum brakes were very rusty and it wouldn't pass for Irish roadworthy certificate, which is called the NCT, because of that rustiness. So I decided I'll remove them and put on new shiny ones and protected ones. And that was easy. I did it with the most minimal tools that I have. All you needed was a jack, a wheel spanner, a 12mm, WD-40, and this little here long nose plier, and that's it. Other than that, it's an easy job. Anyone else who has the courage to do it can do it at home. You don't need to pay a garage for this stuff. It's that easy. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, and I'm out.